Hey guys, Scott, the boat guru. Today I'm going to teach you how to wash a good to moderately maintained boat. Today we're going to be using O&R, we're going to use power clean on the seats, and we're going to protect it with our marine protectant. O&R is safe to use in the marina and also safe to use in your driveway with water and only one product, and you can dry and clean and maintain your boat and you're good to go. Okay guys, the first thing we got to do is we got to get this boat clean. So we have 2 ounces of O&R, 4 gallons of water, and our big red sponge. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start washing this boat. As you can see, it's going to start removing all the water spots, the dirt, and the grime. The good thing about this, if it dries as you're washing, you can always go back and re-wet it. You can use this on the glass, the metal, the windows, everything. It's good for everything and is safe to use in the marina. And now we're going to dry. The good thing about this is you can do your entire boat or you can do sections at a time. If you're in the sun, you can do your one section and dry, and then go on and finish the rest of the boat. Now that I've finished washing the boat with O&R, I have found some residual water spots. So what we're going to do is we're going to use our product MDR. It's a mineral deposit remover. We're going to apply it with a microfiber towel. We're going to let this dwell probably 3 to 5 minutes. May not have to dwell that long. And then we're going to remove it with our O&R. This is going to leave us a water spot free boat. And now I'm going to move on to the rest of the boat. All right, now we're going to rinse the MDR off. By rinsing the MDR, you're decontaminating the surface, and you're going to prepare it for polishing. No more water spots. Now that we've got the exterior clean, we're going to move into the interior. We're using Optimum Power Clean. It's an all-in-one cleaner. We're going to spray on. You can use a soft bristle brush or you can use a power drill, which I prefer because I think it gives me a faster finish and a cleaner, making it more efficient. This is safe to use in your driveway and also in the marina, giving you an effective cleaning product. Now that we've got the seat scrubbed, we're going to wipe it down. And take all our dirt and all that in a rag. Then we're going to go to our O&R. As I said, we can use O&R anywhere in this boat. We're going to use it to rinse the surface, and that way it's ready to go ahead and put our protectant on. We'll get that. We'll dry it off. And now the seat is prepped and ready for our protectant. Now all the hard work's over, it's time to protect this vinyl with Optimum RV and Marine Interior Protectant. We have a low sheen on this. I know a lot of you has been slung off the seats, you know, due to that high gloss on it. So what we've done is we've added extra UV protectant in it with a low sheen. That way when that driver makes that sudden turn to pick up the the surfer that's fell, you won't be sliding all over the place. Now we're gonna go clean some glass. All right, now we've got you from sliding all over this interior with our interior protectant. Now we're gonna go and we're gonna clean this glass with our ONR. I told you, it is the Swiss Army knife of boat cleaning. So we're gonna clean this and then we're gonna dry it. And our polymers left behind is gonna help protect the surfaces from future water spots. That way, your driver can see what's in front of you, the passengers can see when you fall. All right, guys, I told you we could use ONR on everything. So now we're gonna do the mirror. It's safe on all your screens. We're gonna wipe down the screens. We're gonna wipe down all the electronics, do the steering wheel. We're gonna come through and we're gonna dry this now and get it dry and get it free and clean. Now that we've got it clean, we're gonna come through with our vinyl protectant. Spray it on our towel, wipe down all our vinyl. So now we're clean and protected. I hope you join our next video. This is Scott the Boat Guru, and all I can say is shine on.